Alright, it's finally here. Got my new rod combo right here. Alright, so I ordered this rod and reel combo from AmericanLegacy.com. I'll leave the link down below. I ordered it about 2-3 weeks ago, and it's finally here from Japan. So let's open her up. This should be good. Yep, coming out. Oh, there we go. Got some bubble wrap for the rod. And it's almost out. It's out. Here it is. And wait, what? Where's the reel? Wait. Wait, what? It didn't come with the reel. Okay. I think the reel's gonna come sometime later. I'm so confused. Yeah, it says here I ordered the rod and the reel. That's weird. Maybe there was some confusion or something. Oh well, I'll just go over this reel real quick. Check that out. Let's cut into this. Try not to damage it before I even get to use it. Oh yeah. There we go. Just like that. Pull it through. Alright, so this is the rod I got. It's the Shimano SLX rod. I'm gonna read you guys the specs. So this is the 7.2 version. As you can see, the power is heavy and the action is fast. One special feature about this that I really do like, and another reason why I got it, is these guides are like micro guides. They help you feel the line much more better while it's in the water. Just look. It's tiny. Handles all nice black. I like the blue right here. It says Shimano right over here as well. So first impressions, this thing's very solid. I like the build quality of this rod. This little pistol grip is a little small for me, but I think it'll be okay. I do like the color blue they have all along this rod. It makes it look very nice. So I want to make a good comparison by bringing out my old Bass Pro Shops ICast rod. This came in another combo that cost me like 45 bucks. So I would guess this, yeah, here's the reel. So these two together was $45, and then this rod alone would probably be like $20. This thing, however, retails for $100, so it's 5 times more expensive. As we can see, the grip and the butt style is very similar, so that's pretty self-explanatory. But here's where it gets a little different. The guides differ a little bit on this. So basically the guide on this one can literally fit into the bigger one on the ICast. Like it's small. Yeah, it just gets smaller and smaller. So because the reel has not come here yet and I only have the rod, I will continue this video once I receive that. Well, it is now the next day and look what decided to finally show up. Let's give this thing a nice little open. Let's go. Alright, this is it. The Shimano DC SLX 150 HG. Wait, XG? Oh, okay. So I guess extreme gear, that's what it means, like extra gear. Don't know what that really means. Don't really care. We're gonna open this thing up. Here are the specs right here. I'll read them out to you. We got 8.1 gear ratio, and this thing's like 11 pounds. Wait, no, sorry, the drag is 11 pounds, and it weighs 215 grams, 4+1 ball bearings, and whatever that thing is. And this just tells you the line measurement. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let's open this thing up. Here we go. Alright, so once you open it up, comes with the manual, and this just kind of describes the design of this reel. Of course, we got the reel here, and we got the reel oil that comes with it. I might be putting this on later. I don't know, who knows. But here it is. This is the Shimano SLX DC reel. Look at this thing. That is clean. Whew. There we go. Been waiting for this for a long time. All right, let's see. Wow. Wait, you can kind of hear it. Oh yeah, you hear a little. Okay, you guys can't pick it up on the microphone, but wow. All right, check out this free spool. I'm gonna click this release, and then there it is. Just spins. Awesome. This reel is equipped with the IDC4 digital control reel. If you don't know what digital control means, it basically means there's a little microchip computer in here that measures the spool at the rate it's turning when you're making your cast, and then it automatically adjusts it. It can either save you from a bird's nest or help you cast even further. So I'm not going to go into all the specifics about this. You can just search that up on your own. I do like the blue color as well. It is, I don't know what shade of blue it is. It's got the braking system right over here. Apparently there's like 4 modes, so right now it's on 1. Okay, let's turn it up all the way to 4. Let's see if we can hear it now. Oops. Yeah, we can hear it a little better now. So I just got out the manual. As you can see, there are 4 different modes on here. 1 through 4. 4 being the strongest braking applied and 1 being the least. So 1 is obviously used for when you want to get the maximum distance. However, when you're using that setting, it's more likely that you will get a bird's nest. And another thing I want to point out is it's not impossible to get a bird's nest on a DC reel. Number 2 is used for braided and monofilament line. Number 3 would be used for fluorocarbon, and then for 4, it is used for skipping conditions and what else? Windy conditions. Yeah, so that's it. If you know me, I don't like to spend a lot of money on fishing gear. However, this was my one exception. This is by far my most expensive fishing reel. Yeah, this is insane. I decided to actually get this just because of the braking system, the digital control, because I was a little tired of getting bird's nests every once in a while casting lighter lures on my cheaper casting reels. Yeah, there's nothing much else to say about this reel. I know you guys want to listen to the braking sound, so let's go take it out on the water. Alright, so now we are at the water. I'm joined by my friend Nathan right here. Friend Ethan will be heading here a little later, but right now we're gonna just give some casting of this new rod and reel. Are you ready? Here he goes, first cast. No thumbing required. And it went pretty far too. Okay, we are gonna bomb this big overhead cast.
Alright, I don't cast bait casts very much often, but here's my first impression.
That reached the side of the pond. How much power do you put behind that?
I put a lot of power behind that, but still, like, I hit the brakes, it was gonna hit the other side of the pond if I didn't. I'm a big fan of super casts, so here's the first super cast. It's alright. Gotta work the brakes a little bit, but I think we can get it farther than that.
Now let's just wait for my other friend to get here and ask. Wait, I haven't asked your impressions on it yet. All right, so after like 3-4 casts, what are your impressions on this reel?
I really like it. Of course it makes an awesome sound, but like, it's really smooth casting. The brakes are really nice. I really actually like the handles here. They're really nice and big. So somebody who is, you know, either has big hands or just likes to have big grips, they're really nice for that. But otherwise, it's a really solid reel.
All right. Do you think it's worth the price?
If you're really into bass fishing, yes. If you're just getting started, probably would hold out for a little while. I mean, Ryan's been fishing with a bait caster for how many years now, Ryan?
1.5.
Yeah, so like Ryan's progressed to the point where he needs this kind of technology and this kind of gear to actually like do the kind of bass fishing he wants and enjoys. But like if you're just getting started, I would hold off for a less quality reel.
Here you go.
Sweet.
All right, go and give it a cast.
Oh, that's sweet. That's pretty cool. Nice.
Woo, that went far.
That sound. One more.
What are your honest opinions on this thing?
I really like it.
Do you think it's worth the price point?
Personally, I wouldn't want to spend that much on a reel or a combo. But if you have that kind of money, go ahead.
Okay, so now that I have both of my two friends' opinions on this reel and rod, I'm gonna explain to you guys. You might be wondering, Ryan, is this reel really worth the money? Should I get it? I'm gonna say, of course not. This $25 bait caster has worked for me just fine. Even though it doesn't have the fancy digital braking, this thing is fine, and once you get used to it, you won't have that many bird's nests. But if you do have some money or you want to like invest in a higher quality reel, then I feel like this is a worthy investment. Well, that's about it for this rod and reel unboxing and review. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Fishery In.